Welcome back. I've got Lily Moore in studio with us this morning, here to talk about an upcoming chili cook-off this weekend. But first, I want to talk about what this chili cook-off is for Vita Nova Village mission.
Yeah, so if you haven't heard about Vita Nova Village, we are a nonprofit based in Joplin, Missouri, based and founded in Joplin, Missouri. Our founders really saw the rise of housing increasing disproportionately to the increase of income. So with that, there is an increase of homelessness, and our mission is to provide homeless individuals with a private living space so they could focus on employment, targeted education, whatever that individual needs most. We would like to focus and have individual cases for every resident of the village. So our mission is to provide private living space. One huge goal of ours is to remain non-government funded. So we really need support from the community in these events like the chili cook-off this weekend. So
yeah, let's talk about the chili cook-off. So it's on the 25th.
At Joplin Greenhouse in Joplin, Missouri. If you haven't heard of Joplin Greenhouse, I don't know where you've been, but the cook-off is this Saturday at 5:30. You can still register to bring chili. Just email Rhonda. The email's right there. It's rhonda@vitanovavillage.com, and you are more than welcome to bring baked goods for the auction. And the entrance is $10 for an adult or $5 for children.
That's just people that want to come and eat.
Yes, and to register to cook, no fee. There are prizes involved, so that's kind of fun. And we will be tasting the chili, eating your favorite chili, and it's just going to be a fun, community-driven event to raise funds toward our mission.
And that's this Saturday, 5:30?
At Joplin Greenhouse, 2820 East 32nd Street. We share a parking lot with Food for Less.
Okay, and back to the Vita Nova Village. I'm trying to vision what your end game, what the goal is. Are we looking to build private spaces all in one area?
So think like a tiny home village. Each tiny home is every resident's private living space. Our goal is to start with anywhere from 6 to 30 tiny homes based off of how many funds we raise and the property that we acquire. We're still in the works of that, but we've had a lot of exciting things happen in the past few months. So please follow our Facebook, Instagram accounts, and you can keep up with the behind the scenes of what we're doing and how we're really working towards that common goal of helping the homeless community.
Well, and if you would like to get involved with this mission as well, this weekend is a great way to network with
yes.
that and to
I'm glad you brought that up.
Share ideas.
Maybe you don't like chili, maybe you don't have time to bake chili, but you are interested about what we're working towards, please come out and talk to Rhonda or myself. We'd be more than welcome to give you more details. If you're interested in volunteering or getting involved in some way, we can also connect you in that aspect. But right now we're really just trying to get our mission and our name out there and kind of tell people what we're about, to get people on board. I think as soon as we start talking to people about what our mission is and why we're really wanting to do this, I could sit here all day and talk about it, but you can see people's eyes light up and realize that there's so many reasons to just get behind our mission. It would be great for the community. It's going to be great for the homeless community. I could go on and on.
All right. Well, you can do more on this, have more on this discussion if you show up on Saturday at Joplin Greenhouse, 5:30 p.m.
5:30 p.m. Yep. The coffee bar will be open, so you can get coffee, chili, anything you want.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming on, Lily.
Thank you so much for having me.
We'll be right back.
I really appreciate it.